Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a USB-C hub for the Apple MacBook Pro 2016 through to 2018. So this provides expanded connectivity for your Apple MacBook Pro. And here are some of the product features and specifications. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, popping open the box flap. And just to show you additional details of the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub. And now finally we're going to pop open the box. Let's do it from the top. And slide the contents out. Right there, and you can see the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub right there. And there are additional accessories or items in the box packaging. Let's just make sure that we've removed everything from the box. And so that's the box emptied. We go and set it to one side. So just closing it back up very quickly. And setting the box to the side right there, and spreading the contents across the tabletop so you can see quite clearly what we've just removed from the box packaging of this VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Okay, so let's first start off by taking a look at this card. So there is a card that's been included with the USB-C hub. And it's an instruction card detailing the different ports or connectors or slots to this USB-C hub. And here are some of the notes and details in 3 different languages. Okay, so setting the card to one side, we can move on to the next item, which appears to be a carry pouch or storage pouch for the USB-C hub. So let's pop the packaging open very quickly and sliding the pouch or case out. And now taking a close-up look, you can see that it does have the VICSEED branding to it, embossed or stamped at the bottom of the pouch. I'm just giving you a look there. And size-wise, just giving you some idea of the size of the pouch. And then popping the pouch open so you can see it is made out of leather, so a premium quality material right here. And now we can set the pouch down to the side, so setting it perhaps right next to the instruction card up there. And now moving on to the USB-C hub itself, so giving you a close-up look right here of the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub for the Apple MacBook Pro 2016 through to 2018. And then showing you the different connectors or slots or ports to the USB-C hub right there. And now we can, of course, pop the USB-C hub from its card tray packaging right here. And there we go. So that's just making sure that there's nothing else tucked away in the box packaging. So always making sure, being very thorough right here, checking right through, because you never know what might be hidden within the card packaging. Okay, so we're going to set that down to the side. And now we've got a nice clear view of this VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub for the Apple MacBook Pro 2016, 17 and 18. Okay, first impressions is that it is very light in weight and quite cold as well. So it does have an aluminium body or aluminium alloy construction or casing or housing. And just giving you some sense of the size of this unit right here. And as you can see, the ports and connectors quite clearly. Quite a long piece or unit or USB-C hub. Giving you a front view as well. It's nice to see that the camcorder is cooperating and focusing correctly on the USB-C hub with its 7 ports and connectors and slots as well. Okay, so giving you that all-around look, and you can see this twin USB-C or dual USB-C connector or plug right there, plugs straight into the side of your Apple MacBook Pro. Okay, so nice clear view right throughout of this VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub with all its connectors as well as slots in clear view, except for this one right here, which is the 4K HDMI port right there. And the opposite end is capped, so nothing on the opposite end. So let's count them. So starting off with this port right here is the 4K HDMI port, and then followed by a Thunderbolt 3 port right there, and then 2 USB 3.0 ports right there, and then we have a USB-C port, and this USB-C is strictly only for data transfer or syncing. And then we have a micro SD slot at the top and a standard SD card slot at the bottom. So altogether 7 connectors, ports and slots altogether. So 4K HDMI, Thunderbolt 3, 2 USB 3.0 slots, a USB-C data port right there, followed by a micro SD slot above, the SD card slot below. So nice good look, right round, and you can see clearly labeled or indicated on the underside of this USB-C hub. Just below its ports and connectors are the visual symbols to each of the ports and slots. Okay, and just giving you a close-up look at the dual USB-C connectors right there at the front. Okay, so now there's just one thing, just to do a test fit of this VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub. I do have my brother Jimmy's MacBook Pro 2017 here, and he doesn't really look after things, as you can see. He's not very careful with things. So, but nonetheless, we can do a test fit to the side of the base of this MacBook Pro 2017. So you can see the dual USB-C ports right there, And let's do that test fit with this VICSEED USB-C hub. And just like that, giving you a nice look, perfect fitment of the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub, sat nicely into the side of this MacBook Pro 2017. And just giving you some idea of the perspective as well, and size, and of course dimensions. Right there of this VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub with all its ports, slots, and connectors. Okay, so there we go. So that's the VICSEED 7-in-1 USB-C hub. Thanks for watching and happy connecting!